Hi people, yes, I want the same clothes. It's because I am doing two videos today. I'm doing two videos and make more sense. Hold on. Oh, that is good. That was good. I have a mustache. I have water mustache. Yes, I'm doing two videos because if I don't get these two videos like over with, for some reason I always I do something else. I'm gonna get to do it. But anyway, this video, by the title, you should know what I'm going to talk about. But yes, if you don't, it's my weight loss journey vlog 1. Yes, well, yeah, I just have my book because, as I say, if me not write it down, or if me not have it written out, if me not have a book or I write down, me not gonna remember nothing. I won't remember anything that I'm supposed to say, and I'm gonna rumble and I'm going to beat around all the bushes before me get to one topic. So it better me just have it written down, and me not gonna use my phone with all of this. But guess what? My phone I use record me right now, so I guess I just have to use old-fashioned paper and pen. Nothing wrong with that because I love writing. Okay, so my weight loss journey, vlog 1. Yes, I have update you guys on what's going on, but here what? Me have a lot of good news for tell now because it's about time I get this up and running. And yes, I've started. Sorry if I have not updated you guys since I've started, but yes, I have started. So before me get into all what I'll be doing, this is what other people going to ask the question: why do you want to lose weight? Look at me. Yes, I know I look beautiful. Yes, I do. My husband loves it. I look beautiful. Everybody, oh, you don't need to or anything like that. Please stop letting lie. Please stop to lie. I do. Right? But it's not just about that. It's about myself. I do want to lose weight. 1, I want to be able to be healthy throughout my life that God gives me. So 2, I want to feel better. 3, more for fitting on some clothes and see out there where actually look tons better and easier to shop around, easy to shop for things, right? And me just want, it's just for me basically. Doing everything is basically for me, right? So that's the reason why I want to. It's for me, not for anybody else, but it's for me. So people out there, you guys that out there, all you ladies are anyway, even guys that out there that are do on your weight loss journey, don't do it for somebody else. Do it for yourself, because eventually I yourself you have to do it for, because when you look on it, it's like this, right? Other people tell you to do something, you will do it, but without a benefit in the long run. You who are gonna look good in the mirror when you look at yourself, you, not them, right? So do it for yourself. Anyway, let's continue. So what is my current weight? So my current weight before, like when I logged in on my diet plan, I was 232. Sorry, on my diet bet, because I'm using that. That's the next story if I tell you. On my diet bet, 232. That's my current weight. Probably a little bit less now, but what's my goal weight? My goal weight is for now is 180, but after reaching that goal I will pursue to go lower, but my goal weight right now is 180. All right, so I answered all 3 of those questions, so let's get into it. All right, I have this here. Okay, yeah, so I did started. So 1, I did started my cleanse already. I did a 2 days cleanse with just the lemonade diet cleanse. Well, it's not a diet, lemonade cleanse, right? So I cleansed myself for 2 days, and then after those 2 days I started my intermittent fasting. So that's the next thing, and I started my intermittent fasting. So the most popular one that I'm doing, which is a 6-to-8 ratio. So I fast for 16 hours and I have a eating window for 8 hours. So 16 hours including my sleep, because trust me, can you believe up and about for 16 hours without food? No, you go hungry, your belly go grow, all kind of something. we're not play karate in your belly or something. But yeah, I am doing that. The intermittent fasting I already started. Sorry if I have not. I think I have vlogged about it in my um my every, like one of my daily vlog or something that one vlog that I put up. I did showed either a video of me breaking my fast that day. But yes, I am doing that. And what I should say I'm doing the 16 8 hour, and I'm doing it from my close off eating. My close off eating is at 9, and it goes back to 1. So I stop eating at 9 and then I start eat at 1. Right? Make sense? Yeah. Yeah, so we stop eat at 9 and we start eat at 1. So that's not bad. That's not bad. I was gonna put it at 12. Start eat at 12 and stop eat at 8. But sometimes I'm on the road. I'm gonna come home until a little bit late, so me kind of push it back till 9. And some people, you can do it any way you want depending on your schedule, because that's how I set it up with mine. Because some people can stop eat at 10, 11, and push it back all the way to 1, like 2 or 3 or so. But that's how I want it to be. Stop eat at 9 and start eat at 1. Alright. The next thing. What I can have. Okay, what I can have in my fast is crystal punch. Yeah, we can have crystal punch, which is water. Right, you can have water, and you can have black coffee, but me not drink coffee, so me don't know that I go work out. The only time I drink coffee, the only coffee I drink is French vanilla. A lot of people say, no, that's not coffee. But I can't drink that, so it don't make no sense even mentioning. I drink tea though. I can drink a green tea. I drink green tea. I may probably drink a laxative tea the night before if me kind of feel that you know what I mean about laxative tea, right? But no sugar, no milk, no honey. Even though you probably love your honey, but none of that, right? And yes, you can have gum. You can have gum. I guess in your fast you're not supposed to go anything over 30. Okay, so oh yeah, I was talking about gum. So the same thing happened again. My space for my phone. Come here, I use my phone, and then I don't have that much space because it's a 16 gig. So I just have to do with what I have for now. Yeah, until things get a little bit better. But yeah, what I'm allowed to have on my fast is I can have gum, and I think I was researching a little bit because I did so much research, but I'm gonna continue doing research because I like to research everything about everything that like this is new to me, so I like do all of that. But yes, I can have gum, and it said not to consume anything over 35 calories. And yes, if you also want to have your I'll say 0 calorie soda and stuff like that, you can. I don't want to because I just don't want I don't want the taste of soda because I crave soda or anything like that. So I don't want that. I just like to do like water, or if I do the flavored water, I have my little thing I'm spraying out the bottle of water. It has no calories at all, so I just do that. I buy a flavor that I love and I just use that. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. So I did my cleanse, and I'm on my intermittent fasting, and also in my next video I'll tell you like what my workout will be like, and then also be uploading some of my workout videos as well. Probably my husband was saying to work like put up a video every time I work out. I'm tired. I'm tired. Sometimes I just want to bam, go up on the treadmill and just do some cardio, and that's it. But I'm gonna try. If I 2, I'm gonna start off. If it's 1 a week, I'm gonna start off with that. If I can do 2 a week, I'm gonna start off with that. But for now, I'm just going to I'm just gonna upload what I have right now, because I think like I have like 2 that I need to upload. But I wanted to upload my weight loss vlog first, my first vlog first, and then my workout vlog next, and then I'll upload my my workouts that I've did before. So I'll put those together and upload it. So please do continue watching, and If you have not liked, please do continue to watch my channel, watch my videos, and yeah, please do subscribe. If you're new, please subscribe. Yes, so Shana the other girl, I'm out. And if you have any question, any comment, anything, just comment about anything. Randomness. Yeah, I have vlogs too, so yeah, you can comment about anything. Right, so yes, so Shana the other girl signing out for our weight loss journey vlog 1. I'm excited. Hope you are too. So later, may see you later. We talk later. Just wait, no man. Alright, later. Bye.